like when I did movies outside.
Yeah.
That's another thing now. Then when Mirzapur big, so that's ये दस्तूर है कुछ ना कुछ जब कुछ चल जाता है then suddenly all eyes are on you.
Yeah. Two massive actors coming home who are so good with their work. How is that feeling?
I think we leave all of that and come home and enjoy just being with each other. So that's nice. Yeah. One is saying fix the situation. One is saying don't lose it. One is saying you're a director. Wait, handle the actor. Oh wait, the writer's not here. I have to write it. Wait.
I would like to believe गोलू और गोलू के अलावा और किसी को बचाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
I think Golu and Gadadari. He's fond of Gadadari.
I'm really.
And they're easy to
Is it? Yeah, I was about
get
to
out
say.
of the water.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I'm in conversation with the maker and cast of Mirzapur and आप बहुत awaited हो. Everyone's very awaited for season 3 and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for getting season 3 back to us. Everyone's really looking forward. I want to start off by asking sir you that you know when the characters, it's an ensemble cast और characters इतने अच्छे से लिखे हैं वो एक चीज़ है but उसको on screen translate करना इतने बखूबी से वो आपने इतने अच्छे से किया है. Like how do you think, is it a challenge to develop each and every character and for the audience to connect, hate, love and have an opinion on each of them?
Well, again, a lot of this comes from clarity on paper. And so, like you said, and within the show, we do really want the audience, to love the most devious and dark characters that we have and hate the most lovable characters. So we do constantly want them to be in that confusion of who to love, who to hate, who to like, who to follow, who to not. So वो तो हमारा constant endeavor रहता है. And I think वही the show का हमेशा से यही रहा है कि on paper it needs to have that fire, and then when we go to execute it as directors, we try and be as invisible as possible. All the technicians, all the craftsmen that are on the show, we do want the audience to just follow the story, follow their actors. We don't want to distract them with anything gimmicky that we want to do. We want to be as invisible as possible, and we just try and hopefully keep getting better in that, and just not be visible to anyone, so that you can just follow the story, follow all the drama, all the ups and downs, all the shocks. So हमारी कोशिश तो यही रहती है.
But I have to ask, like जब season 1 आया था, none of us knew that it's going to be such a big, massive show. But I have to ask that, do you feel like season 1 के बाद and seeing the success, the industry attitude changed towards you all? Did that happen? Did you see people's way of talking is a little better? अभी ज़्यादा भाव देने लगे, if I can be as right. Does that happen?
Yeah. But again, if I may, I've seen that in a different way. Like when I did movies outside.
Yeah.
That's another thing now. Then when Mirzapur big, so that's ये दस्तूर है कुछ ना कुछ जब कुछ चल जाता है then suddenly all eyes are on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone is like, hey man, we love you. That's dangerous.
Yeah. You never know what's real, what's not.
But you be yeah.
What about you?
I think
I love you.
एटीट्यूड इंडस्ट्री का, ऑडियंस का, आई थिंक जब भी कुछ अच्छा काम आता है जो सबको थोड़ा ऐसा हिला सा देता है तो वो चेंज होता है एटीट्यूड, जो कि होना भी चाहिए. सब एक सबसे जो प्यार मिलता है ना वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज देयर इज, यू कैन फील अ सर्टेन शिफ्ट इन एनर्जीज. यू कैन फील दैट कि अभी जैसे सब इंतजार कर रहे हैं 5 जुलाई का, तो हम तो इंतजार कर ही रहे हैं, बट ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि पूरा देश आपके साथ वो वेट कर रहा है कि जैसे ही ड्रॉप होगा to have so many eyes on you. And I am feeling super blessed with season 3 because 6 July is my birthday. तो 6 जुलाई को I know कि पूरा देश मेरा काम देख रहा होगा. That makes me very happy.
It's the best present you can actually
100%. तो इसलिए
I
जब
mean, now you've announced it, तो अब तो सब तो सभी को पता चल
सब,
जाएगा
of
कि तुम्हारी
course,
birthday है।
इसलिए सिर्फ
हाँ,
only
यार,
good
ये तो
things
मतलब-
and great things about the season.
get. Golu will be on everyone's stories on 6th
है ना?
July. Yeah. But I also have to ask that, you know, दोनों seasons में we've seen that characters की जो arcs है और उनकी जो vulnerability है, हर एक emotion, you know, they've played. Is it a challenge to get something new in season 3, keeping the essence of the original Mirzapur in mind?
I think every time we think it's an impossible task, and then you start going into the characters and just into the material and whatever you know, existing things that Puneet and Vineet Krishna, the writers and original creators of the show, had given us. It's such a dense world.
Yeah.
उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी और गहराई से वो दुनिया हमको सौंपी है कि इतना कुछ मिल जाता है. The moment we dig, suddenly you know, it's a whole new world for every character, and literally करते करते हम realize करते हैं कि यार ये तो मतलब endless है.
Yeah.
Like the possibilities are endless, the fun is endless, the drama is endless, what you can do with human emotion is endless. And there's many types of grief, there's many reasons for grief, there's many types of human frailties, so there's so much to explore.
Very like interesting. I'm waiting to see what's there in season 3.
I think it's got a bit of a resonance with season 1. This time.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I'm going to find out what that means. Ali, I also want to understand at this point, like recently the past few months I've been meeting Richa a lot, and I just feel with her success with her show and you doing so well, like don't you all feel like you all are such a power couple when you come home and like everything's great, like the feeling aati hai, like you're high on that energy that everything's going so well for me and my wife.
हमें बहुत आती है before he answers that we feel super happy and proud.
Yeah, imagine two massive actors coming home who are so good with their work. How is that feeling?
I think we leave all of that and come home and enjoy just being with each other. So that's nice. Yeah, I look forward to it.
I'm going to quickly jump into a small game segment. Okay, so it's मैं आपके लिए सवाल पूछूंगी पर आप दोनों को जवाब देना है. तो जिसके लिए सवाल है उनको जवाब नहीं देना.
Oh, nice.
So it's hypothetical. So if Gurmeet is angry or upset on set, what would be the reason behind it?
Oh. When the DOP is not listening. Something.
Okay.
And
He's hardly ever angry or
She's not
upset
saying
on set.
hypothetical in like Jupiter 64. Like, that situation never happened. The DOP is never listening.
oh, okay, like
ये गुस्सा नहीं होते हैं. इनफैक्ट हमें गुस्सा होना
नहीं होते
होता
हैं.
है because हाँ पर वो होके मतलब then he feels bad about being गुस्सा. Yes.
yeah, no, but I'm trying to think. There are times I've seen you gussa.
Or annoyed, chalo. Annoyed. What gets him annoyed? Yeah.
Like when some certain actors
Nice.
cannot,
Yeah.
you know, carry out instruction.
Yeah.
Oh.
So when it's the 20th time to carry out that instruction
Then
in
it
that
goes a
particular
little-
context,
Yeah.
then when he's very sweetly trying to help and savor that situation, you can see him annoyed, but his nature doesn't allow him to vent it.
Yeah.
Nature says nahi, script mein likho. So that's a very interesting moment to witness with Guru in his life, because he's
script mein chala jata.
yeah, it's 5 people fighting at the
Love
same
it.
time in his head.
Oh my God.
One is saying, fix the situation. One is saying, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it. One is saying, wait, you're director. Wait, handle the actor. Oh, wait, the writer's not here. I have to write it. Wait.
It's not easy to be an actor.
So that is him. That's being him. That's like being John Malkovich of our lives.
This is a hypothetical situation.
Hypothetical.
No, that's real. This
Okay,
is
that's
real.
real.
Yeah.
That's
I
real.
agree.
Isn't it?
Okay.
Yes.
Coming to Ali, what is that one habit जो Ali can't get rid of?
Being super charming. I have
That
seen
is
this
very
effect कि जब भी मतलब
God.
अली आता है तो सब तो ऐसे जुई करके सब गिर और फिसली जाते हैं. एंड अली जब कुछ कहता है ना तो वो इतने कमांड के साथ कहता है कि हम बस अपना ऐड कर देते हैं कि अली +1.
Okay, if Shweta gets a DM from her crush, how would she react on it?
You mean Ryan Gosling or Timothy?
Yeah, it could be.
How would she react?
How would she react? Would she like tell people? Would she like slyly not tell people?
She would. Yeah, that's like really intrusive, man.
Yeah.
That's her personal life. And if that's happening, then somebody else would have a problem with it.
अगर ऐसा कुछ होगा, then these two would
There would be a lot of GIFs popping, not just in the phone but around her, and you would visually see them in this real world.
She's a GIF person.
Oh my God!
Acha.
If there could be a script that could, like a storyboard that could have just been made out of her chats, it would probably make a series.
Have you made from their faces? You can make
नहीं जो existing होते हैं मैं वही और particular
वेला नहीं है ना, बहुत इतनी बिजी है कि इनको ये थ्रू GIFs भेजती हैं.
Okay, no texting. Okay.
WhatsApp.
If there are
WhatsApp.
if there are 3 things that he needs to take with him on a stranded island, तो वो कौन सी 3 चीजें होंगी?
his PlayStation.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you're a gamer also, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Hazel.
And figurines या फिर हम PlayStation के साथ ही combine कर सकते हैं.
And an
Because he
empty book
loves-
with a pen
Yeah.
for the next season.
Yeah,
Ah.
that we would definitely.
Mirzapur
want.
4.
Yeah.
Okay. If Ali had a dating app bio, how would he describe himself?
His Instagram bio is also कुछ तो बहुत ही अलग, because like I was talking about
पुराना
the
है।
charming thing.
Yeah.
One of my friends, she, because now she's crushing on Ali, तो
Is
वो
this Milan?
read out करके पूरा तो क्या हो गई, बहुत ही कुछ अलग ही
क्या
हल्का,
होगा?
Yeah.
High on intellect, probably.
Yeah, but you need Ali to decode it also.
हाँ हाँ.
So he's so smart that you will need to. The dating app will need him to decode it. So he's already.
I could be
already
equally
got the
dumb.
date.
I could be
He's
equally
already-
dumb and like,
already decoded the date.
yeah.
Okay. Ali, you would like to add something? What would it be? What would it say? If you could.
Milo kabhi. It would be very simple because that's where you need to. The other person needs to understand, na?
Yeah.
मुस्कुराइए आप हमारे शहर में.
Okay. If Shweta gets $1 billion tomorrow, वो खर्चा पहले किस चीज पे करेगी?
Like you said, creating her own gifts first. A company. No, I'm kidding. Oh, actually, what? Well, she would fund her next 5 films. That's for sure. And still be left with a lot of money.
So then, what is that materialistic खर्चा? ये तो अच्छा वाला खर्चा है.
He'd buy a party island.
Yeah.
Okay.
है ना?
Yeah.
With like state-of-the-art gyms, so you party
Yeah.
and like a
Party
love
and
pad for
recovery.
like Chaitanya and her.
They should come up with healthy alcohol. She invent healthy alcohol.
That'll be great actually. सब खुश होंगे.
It's a good brand. Okay. If you had to cast 2 actors,
Yeah, exactly.
if you had to cast 2 actors to romance on screen, who would it be? Yeah.
Oh.
That was easy.
Wow.
But you have to know house rules. Don't tell me someone from Mirzapur. Someone
Oh.
outside.
Ah, okay. Then that's
Interesting.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I plug in?
Y'all can
Not
guess.
from
Y'all can take a guess.
Oh shit! Try Cardi.
I knew it. I knew it.
Y'all can take a guess. Ali and Shweta.
He would. You're saying he would direct
Yeah.
2 people, na?
Yeah.
Oh. How about SRK?
Of course.
Okay.
Yeah.
With Tabassum.
Oh. Wow.
That would be a cool story.
Yeah.
I'm signing your film. Producer saab, what you say?
Thank you. I'll produce it.
Yeah.
And she will fund it with the 1 billion.
Yes. Oh, full cast.
So
you made.
perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah?
Perfect.
Set
Alright.
it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lovely.
If all the Mirzapur cast is drowning, Ali किसको बचाएगा?
मुझे
एक को
तैरना
बचाएगा।
नहीं आता. छोटा फैक्ट. हाँ यार मुझे अब मतलब आ गया है थोड़ा.
But ये सब
But I had a phobia.
hypothetical है.
हाँ?
ये सब hypothetical है.
अच्छा.
तो आपको तैरना आता है उस दुनिया में?
अच्छा, Ali can't answer this, na? We have to answer.
You all have to answer. Ali has to say.
Nice. I like it. Let my cells believe that. That's a good idea.
I would definitely like to believe Golu. And
If everybody
The
is
ones that are
thinking-
alive or everybody is?
characters, na? I would like to believe Golu और गोलू के अलावा और किसी को बचाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
I think Golu and Gadadari. He's fond of Gadadari.
I'm really
And they're easy to
Is it? Yeah, I was about
Get
to
out
say.
of the water.
But do you have a swimming phobia?
I used to.
Used
Now it's fine.
Yeah, because I relate to that. I have that deep water.
नहीं वो I'm one of those 10 kids जिनको पूल में फेंका जाता है तो वो तैरना नहीं सीखते हैं. मुझे फेंक दिया था, मेरे मामू ने फेंक दिया था.
If Shraddha had to swap her character Golu with one of the characters in Mirzapur, तो वो किसको चुनती?
Nina.
Yeah, that's nice.
I don't know actually. Male, female.
Any male also is okay. You can just pick any character.
I think Vijay, no?
नहीं ऐसा अगर swap करना होता then गुड्डू.
Yeah. Okay. What is the best way one can be in Gurmeet's good books?
Develop an ailment in your back, which is kind of like knots, some issues. Yeah, if you're, knots नहीं होते हैं.
Yeah. That's a way to impress.
He loves massaging,
Oh.
so it's a win-win both sides.
Yeah.
हाँ, दोनों खुश. Okay, if Shweta has to use one makeup product before coming on screen, which would that product be?
Some weird ass de-aging cream, man. I don't know what it is. Every time it is like a Benji buttoning down. I don't know.
What would you say? You would know more.
विपा देखने की मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ?
Eyeshadow.
Shweta, what would it be?
Lip balm.
Sunscreen.
Sunscreen. Yeah. Much needed. If Ali had to change something about Guddu,
Thank
Ali
God.
the person had to change something about Guddu, the character, what would he change about Guddu?
Wow. Not having to go to the gym, I think.
Not having to go to the gym.
Really? Big time, of course. But thank you so much for this, and thanks for your skincare routine. We've gotten to know that today. But we're waiting for Mirzapur season 3, and thank you for your amazing performances and your work, sir. And we're looking forward for a lot more coming ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hey guys, team of Mirzapur, please
Like, share, subscribe.
To Instant Bollywood.
Yeah.